What did you make?
A house for my Polly Pocket.
Ooh, a house?
Yeah.
Give me a tour.
This is her living room. A carpet, TV, soda can on the side table, and a couch with a recliner.
And then we go into this room here. What's this?
A bedroom. It's a poster that says her name on it.
Awesome.
A side table right there that has water and soda on it.
Yep.
And then a bed and a carpet right there.
And then you got a doorway leading to this other room.
That is the kitchen.
Ooh, very nice.
We have a sink, pizza on the stove, and a pizza inside of it.
In the oven. Yep.
In the oven, yeah. And then the fridge that can't open.
That's all
and then we have dog bowl. Woof, woof.
Oh, you made a little dog?
Woof, woof.
Perfect size for a Polly Pocket. What did the Polly Pocket originally come with? Came with a little tiny Polly Pocket music stage with a drum set and a turntable that turns into a piano. But it's very creative that you made your own house. It's a lot bigger. You took all the cardboard from a box that shipped in the mail and made all this. Good job.
What should I do today? Oh, I know. Let me just sit on the couch. Mommy, mommy, mommy. Take me to the store. Fine. What do you want, a guitar or a microphone? I want a guitar. Okay. Put that right there on the floor. Hi, puppy. What's he doing? I guess he's eating. Let's go in my bedroom. I'm gonna take a little nap. Just settled the snow, and now we can relax. Mommy, mommy, mommy. What do you want? I want to eat. Fine, I'll get pizza. There. Nom, 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 nom. Are you full yet? I'm gonna take a bath. we don't have a bathroom, but oh, okay. Yeah, boy. I'm gonna cook. Oh wait, we just had dinner. What the heck is wrong with me? Time for bed. Fine. I'm gonna stay up since I'm a parent. Yes. Let me watch TV. Oh my god. Oh my god. He ate pizza. The end.